Hello guys, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's a girl KYKY Sonia'S world, and I'm back again with another video. Even if you're karibu sana, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yes, leave a sweet comment. And today I'm coming to you from my kitchen because I'm gonna do my very first simple recipe. I've never done a recipe in my channel. This is my very first one, and it's a very simple recipe that you can try anytime, any day. So what I'm gonna need is just a sufuria. Here is my sufuria. Then again mix the popcorn and the oil together with the salt. Then I'm gonna put on my fire. Make sure the heat is low, moderate heat, and then you cover your popcorns with the lid. After about 5 minutes, your popcorns will start popping. So let's wait for about 5 minutes. So this is the heat I put. It's low moderate heat. You don't want to put a lot of heat because your popcorns will burn. So after a while, the popcorns will start popping. Like 5 minutes, the popcorns will start popping. And don't make a mistake of like heating your oil first and then you put in the popcorns. Zitaungua zote, utalala njaa. So there are the popcorns popping. Popping and popping and popping. Popping and popping and popping. When do you eat your popcorns? For breakfast or watching movies? When do you eat your popcorns? until they stop popping, because if you do zitajaa kwa nyumba, utazikulia chini. So lakini sasa in this case kifuniko ndo inainuliwa na popcorns. So when this happens, I don't know what you do next. Sijui unatoa cha kucheka the lid is falling. Oh my god. Stop laughing. Because I said you shouldn't remove the lid and then the lid is falling. Lakini don't remove it, finyilia. Uifinyilie mpaka ziache kupop. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Watu washibe kushiba. So that is basically how you pop your popcorns. It's very easy and